Amazon or Jeff Bezos does have another suborbital vehicle that they just launched. It also has great visuals.
Is this the segue to Ring?
Show me the camera, Tim.
Is this Ring is owned by Amazon?
Well, isn't it Amazon?
Oh.
So Amazon, or Ring, which I believe is Amazon, has a new camera drone that will fly around your house.
What?
If it detects motion.
Okay.
Weird.
Well, I actually had wondered if like you could have a home security thing that kind of like shot rubber bullets at people as they're coming.
So if you guys haven't heard of this, what's it called? The Always Home Cam is an autonomous drone that can fly around inside your home to give you a new perspective of any room you want when you're not home. Once it's done flying, the Always Home Cam returns to its dock to charge its battery. It's
inside the house?
Yeah. Yes. So what we're looking at, it looks like a little square box with a fan on top of it, like a CPU. Yeah. If you've ever seen what a CPU box looks like, it looks like that. And when it detects motion, I believe, is when it comes out. The drone part of it will fly. It would lift off and fly to where it finds it in your house and show you what's going on, and then come back and dock when it's done. And I am so creeped out. I don't know. But I'm also like this, one of my things with technology is I'm so burnt out on digital technology, like selfie filters and crap like that, that I'm really excited that this is like a physical piece of tech that's really, really cool. But at the same time, I'm like, why? Like, I could just have a camera in every room if I wanted this. I don't need something that flies around. It seems like unnecessarily complex.
Yeah. It really, for this price, unless you have a mansion, but Wise Cams at $20 or $30 a pop or whatever, you could put 8 of those around your house and have way better coverage than a thing that is probably going to run into a, Christmas tree or something and crash.
I really wonder, because this could do some damage to your house. I wonder what the insurance policy is.
Yeah. What if it knocks a tree over into a candle and... Yeah.
I mean,
this is great for people with cats.
I was just going to say, what is a cat? Oh, man. I can't wait for the footage of the Always Home Cam flying around, and out of nowhere comes a cat from midair and just tackles it.
It'll be the first week. 100%. That is crazy.
Hey guys, thanks so much for watching this clip from our show. If that's just not enough for you and you want to watch the full episode, you can go to olfpod.com/YT.
And if you want more from us, you can consider becoming a Patreon member. You'll get early access to episodes. You can join our awesome community. You can actually watch us record live and get your name in the credits by going to olfpod.com/Patreon.
So thanks everyone for watching. Check back every Friday for new clips here and new episodes on the main channel.
Thanks everybody.